Hi guys, I'm Tim from Chrosziel, and here at the NAB Show, we are showing you various setups. One of the setups is our lens test projection. So we are showing the TP7 with full frame and large format and 65 image circle coverage. We are able to transmit metadata onto the laptop, and you can compare it with the measurements of the projector. So it's a fully built tool on the high-end side for lens service, renters, and lens manufacturers. So the projector itself has an LED light source. You have a camera simulation glass, and this glass can simulate digital cameras, so you don't only simulate for film cameras, but for digital cameras, and you can easily swap the reticles. So we are offering 7 different reticle designs. Here we are showing the latest design. This is the Otto Nemens design with coverage up to Alexa 65, basically 60mm image circle. So besides the bigger projector, we are showing the portable lens test projector from DENZ. So this lens test projector has a LED light source with a stronger LED light than version 2 or 1. Then you have an interchangeable mount system on it. So you can swap mounts between PL, LPL, B4 or other mounts. And it is for a portable version, you can use it in your checkout base or while traveling on set. So on this setup, we are showing, besides the mechanical accessories for the FX9, we are showing the meta mount adapter. This meta mount adapter has built-in electronics and translate the E-mount language into PL mount language and broadcast. So we have here a Hiroshi 12-pin output for the Fujinon servo drives and the Canon CN lenses. And this way you get access from the zoom rocker of the top handle of the smart grip in the back. And then you can have the iris being controlled automatically. For example, right now, if I close that up, the iris opens up or controls it automatically. Or you can go into manual mode. The neat thing is, here on the display, it ingests the metadata and then it's recorded on your file in the camera. So you can use it for metadata translation of your mount. And additionally, if you want to go into broadcast setups, you can have the web GUI, or with the XDCA adapter, you can go onto fiber and then have RCP control or studio control. So here we have the most exciting news from the show. So we are introducing a new motor, a zoom motor for the Sony FR7 remote heads. This way, instead of having only a choice of 3 photo lenses for the FR7 head, now you have the choice of using all 28 lenses from Sony, or maybe even more. So it's a zoom motor deeply integrated into the FR7 remote head, and this way you get control from any kind of control for zoom. You have different zoom speeds, of course, so the max speed is kind of about this kind of speed. And in the package, you have everything from the motor to the cable to the cabling, and even this little flexi gear to give gears to that photo lenses. It is available for pre-order from now on, and we're offering a pre-order pricing and until the June of 15th, and afterwards we are not sure if we might have to raise the pricing. So please have a look at our website and check out our dealers for the introduction of the FR7 motor. So at this setup, we are showing the universal iris stop box, an iris motor being controlled via the Hiroshi 12-pin connector. So you can use it with any camera having a Hiroshi 12-pin output. And what it is doing is it swivels onto the, via rods, onto the iris. And this way, here on the Canon setup, ingests the iris metadata, so you can calibrate it easily to your lens by pressing this little button. And then what it can do is you have the chance to control it via the hand grip, for example, on that Canon camera, or remotely from an OB vehicle. It is called the Iris Stopbox, and the Iris Stopbox is compatible with basically all cameras. So it is very interesting with our meta mount adapter, with the Canon broadcast adapter, or even a Sony Venice, or an Arri Alexa or Arri Amira, for example.